everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I love you guys so much, and this is like basically my day Christmas look. My hair is looking monstrous. Planning to go and get my hair officially rebonded straight. This is actually my hair on the most tame day, but on an average normal day, guys, you do not want to see my hair. It's atrocious. So I actually created something very neutral where, you know, it will work for every skin tone. So basically in this video, I actually used new products that I actually bought from Sephora recently, which is their Sephora collection. But yes, without any further ado, guys, let's jump right into this video and we'll get this video started right now. For my eyeshadow, I'll be going in with the Sephora Enchanted Sky palette, and this is an 8 eyeshadow palette. The shade I'm actually picking out is that beautiful chocolate shade, and that is just going to define my crease area. And then after that, I'll be going with any type of concealer and conceal your eyelids. I'm actually using the Morphe E19 brush to actually conceal my eyelids. So after concealing my eyes, I'm going to go in with this Stila 3D Dazzle Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow set. So I am applying this center one right here, which is called Perlina, and just applying to the inner corners of my eyes and just stopping that before the center of my lid, and then blending it out with the Sephora palette, that right in the center, that gold shade, just like blending it out with that Stila eyeshadow. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm actually going to pick up that chocolate brown shade and blend it out in my lower lash line, and picking up this maroon shimmer shade, yeah, and also blending it out together with the chocolate brown shade. And then just to give it a little bit of pop to my eyelid, I'll be going in with the BH Cosmetic Glitter Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sydney. Line my crease. So basically when you look upwards, it looks like this. It has like an iridescent glitter right there, but when you're normal, you don't see anything. It's just like a pop. Spice up your Christmas look, guys. And then I'll go in with my Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner, which is waterproof. And then for my waterline, I went in with the Lord and Berry black eyeliner pencil and just did my waterline. And then for mascara, I went in with the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara, and I just coated my upper and my lower lash line. And then for lashes, I went in with Lilly lashes in the shade Mink Doha, my favorite lashes. Contour blush, I'll be using the Too Faced Natural Face Contour Blush Highlight Palette, picking up the shade called Sunny Honey, just contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, my jawline. And then for blush, I'll be going in with Pink Wink mixed with Pink Sand with my Morphe R4 brush and just doing my blush. Today for highlighter, I'm actually going in with two different types of highlighter from Colourpop. The first shade I'll be going in with is called Spoon, and definitely I'm going to wet my brush. It's because it just gives your face that wet highlighted look. And then moving on to the next highlighter, which is called Over the Moon, and this is like a very pinkish iridescent highlighter, and I applied it over my shoulder. And then for lips, I went in with the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Hawkwind. So guys, we are done. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to follow me in my social media accounts, you can follow me in Instagram and Twitter. I prefer you guys to follow me in Instagram. It's because I do more skincare and short makeup videos in Instagram, and plus a lot of stories where it's involving my life. Go ahead and follow me there in Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!